Hi, I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd love to talk to you about a 2651 Forest River Sunseeker Class C. Really great coach, big storage. It's got the light exterior, so it's going to help keep that heat down. Push button awning. Gosh, this is a great looking coach. Look forward to telling you about the inside of it next. So here we are inside the 2020 Forest River 2651. It's going to be a 26-foot floor plan coach, Class C. We've got twin beds in the front overhead instead of the one big bed. This is going to be two separate full-size twin beds. Love the separation. If you've got children, you can separate them. I know with my three sons, I love them dearly, but golly gee whiz, if they could touch each other while they were trying to sleep, yeah, one of them was definitely going to be picking on the other. So I love that separation up front. Big area for the children. Fantastic fan. Just outside of the overhead, so it's if they're up there and it's warm, you're going to be able to get rid of that heat very quickly with the fantastic fan. We got a nice barrel chair straight across from the booth dinette, so it's going to help create a very warm and inviting family gathering area where everybody can talk without someone having to turn all upside down and stuff. We've got a nice sized kitchen with a big round sink. I love that big sink because I can get a lot of dishes in there. TV straight across from the booth dinette. We got a big queen size bed in back. One slide out in the living room. We've got solar. We got push button awnings. Gosh, we've got a little bit of everything. I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this coach or any others, give me a call. Thanks.